Morning, you beautiful people. It is day 8. So yeah, I'm gonna head out today, check out a few cool spots. So stay tuned. Yeah. Hey Taryn.
Hi!
So tell me what you do here.
This is Biz Babes. I co-founded this female co-working space. It's mainly for girls who gram, and we like to call it Pinterest Perfect, and I'll show you why.
Sweet, yeah.
Okay, so every single wall has a different color or like vibe to it. And that's so that you always have a beautiful backdrop, whether you're shooting some content or making some videos. So this is our entrance, and this is our awesome blue wallpaper wall from the Jungalow, which is a interior design blog. And then this is our conference room area. Back here is what we like to call our work hall, and basically girls can come in, or anyone who identifies as a girl really, can come in, park their laptop anywhere they'd like, and get some work done. And we have individual desks in the back for anyone who might want their own private space. And then over here is kind of one of our lounge areas, and we love to like get cozy and like on the couch and just have meetings and some events here.
Super chill.
Yeah, it's super chill. And then this is one of our other living areas. This one is what I feel like people know us for. It's this like wall. Everyone like comes in and takes a photo there. And all of the furniture is actually for sale, so you can buy it if you like it. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So where are we going, Taryn?
We are going to Ramen Hood. It is an all-vegan ramen spot in downtown LA at Grand Central Market, and it's really, really bomb.
I've heard they have like vegan eggs.
They do have vegan eggs. Like, one time I posted a photo on Instagram and everyone was like, oh my god, that's an egg. And I was like, guys, relax, it's vegan.
Chill, yeah. I get the same thing, and it's like, my name's Epi Vegan.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not going to post non-vegan stuff.
Exactly.
Crazy.
So, yeah, it is vegan, it's really good. And today's really hot, so they have a hot ramen and a cold ramen. And cold ramen sounds like weird, but it's actually so delicious. Yeah, I had it at Coachella a year ago.
Okay.
They served it.
I'm gonna consider it. I still like the idea of hot ramen without, but we'll see.
Well, this is it.
Cool. So you went for the cold ramen, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a look at that.
This is it. I think there's mushrooms in it, bok choy, green onions, seaweed, and bean sprouts.
Nice. I went for the garlic. So beautiful. We got a side of broccoli as well. Let's dig it.
This is our spicy ahi tuna crisp, which is roasted beets, avocado puree, yuzu, and then sesame oil, sesame seeds, sriracha, chili oil, in a light crispy shell. Finished with chili threads. Yeah, sure.
Sweet. So just come out of the creative space with the ladies, with the empowered females up there. Awesome, great bunch of people. It was lovely to meet them. It was great to spend some time with Taryn today. So I'm going to head out for some exploring now. I'm going to head back to the Grand Central Market. So this right here is Grand Central, downtown. Cool place, man. There's tons of food vendors. There's like a big discount store downstairs. It's awesome. I've heard there's a Gourmet PB&J place here that I'm going to check out now. Hey, so I'm here with Erin. So random that we just met here, like I didn't expect it to be in the US at all. And you're from Canada, right?
I'm from Vancouver, yeah.
Yeah.
Just here for about 6 days.
Yeah.
Great timing.
And she's going to be at Veg Fest as well, so we can hang out, which is awesome.
Rowan's eating her vegan sandwich.
What one did you go for?
The kids one. It's called Old School.
Okay,
She's a
old
vegan
school.
baby.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So we want more of, right?
Yeah.
So it was awesome meeting Erin inside. That was crazy. I didn't expect to meet her in America because she's from Canada. These PB&J sandwiches are awesome. I went for the red eye, which is like a almond butter with coffee, like an espresso almond butter, and then like a raspberry tart jam. Super tasty. They also gave me these like cinnamon bite things as well, and vanilla almond milk. So good. I'm gonna have to go for a big walk to walk off all the food from today after this. So we're just heading into Abby's Diner right now to see the hooligans.
Oh, okay.
She's always like,
What? Take two. Alba, what do we have here?
We have a super tasty burrito made with tater tots, guacamole, chili, and nacho cheese. So good.
421 burrito created by Madam Sugar.
So this might be the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. You talk me through what this actually is, because you said you love it as well.
This is a sugar mint. It's an empanada filled with follow your heart, and it has sugar, and it's a salty and sweet, and it's a very traditional South American empanada.
The way I described it is the outside is like a McDonald's apple pie, but filled with awesomeness.